You don't have to accept decline as a natural part of aging. Imagine feeling stronger, more energetic, and more alive in your later years than ever before. The secret isn't in miracle products or extreme workouts. It's in the golden habits that can transform your health and vitality. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 habits that can unlock a healthier, happier you, no matter your age. Ready to discover how to age with strength and purpose? Let's dive in. Life is a precious thing, and as we grow older, it becomes clear that the way we age is deeply influenced by the choices we make. It's easy to fall into the trap of believing that aging means inevitable decline, that the body will fail and the mind will slow down. However, this mindset is not only limiting, it's entirely wrong. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down or becoming frail. It doesn't mean you have to give up on strength, vitality, or joy. In fact, healthy aging is all about the choices you make now and the daily habits you commit to. Many people allow aging to be a process of simply accepting deterioration and decline, but the truth is, it doesn't have to be that way. You can age with grace, with strength, and with energy, simply by implementing small yet incredibly powerful habits. These 5 golden habits I'm going to share with you today can make all the difference in how you age and how you live out your later years. You might be wondering, what are these golden habits? The answer is simple: daily practices that build strength, energy, clarity, and purpose. These habits aren't about trying to reverse time. Rather, they're about empowering you to embrace the life you have, no matter how old you are. They can change how you feel every single day, and they can improve not just the number of years you live, but the quality of those years. So let's dive into these habits, starting with regular physical activity. The first golden habit is regular physical activity. It's a well-known fact that exercise is one of the most important things you can do to stay healthy as you age. And no, you don't need to be running marathons or lifting heavy weights to see the benefits. The key is simply staying active. The human body is meant to move. Movement is essential to maintaining your strength, mobility, and overall health, regardless of your age. When you're active, you increase blood flow, keep your muscles engaged, maintain flexibility, and boost your metabolism. If you stop moving, your body begins to deteriorate faster than you might realize. What's worse, as we get older, our muscles and bones naturally lose mass and density. But you can fight back. Incorporating physical activity into your daily life, whether that's through walking, swimming, stretching, or light strength training, can make a world of difference in how your body feels. Even if you've never worked out in your life, it's never too late to start. Too late to start. Walking 30 minutes a day can be an incredible foundation to build from. Just 30 minutes of moderate activity daily can help improve cardiovascular health, strengthen bones, boost your energy, and improve your mental well-being. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. And with consistency comes strength in your body, mind, and spirit. The second golden habit is mental stimulation. As we age, there's a tendency to assume that our minds should slow down. After all, we've learned most of what we need to know, haven't we? But this belief couldn't be more wrong. Our brains need exercise just as much as our bodies do. If you want to maintain mental sharpness, clarity, and cognitive function as you age, you need to constantly challenge your mind. This could mean reading, solving puzzles, learning a new skill, or even picking up a hobby you've always been curious about. The reality is, your brain is like a muscle. And just like any other muscle in your body, it needs to be regularly stimulated to stay strong. Studies show that people who engage in activities that stimulate the mind, like playing chess, doing puzzles, or learning new languages, have a much lower risk of developing cognitive decline and dementia. You don't need to solve complicated math problems or read dense textbooks to keep your mind sharp. Simple, enjoyable activities that challenge your brain are enough. Even something as simple as a crossword puzzle or reading a book can engage your mind in a meaningful way. Every time you stretch your mental muscles, you're enhancing your brain's ability to process information, store memories, and stay sharp. Don't let age be an excuse to stop learning. Keep asking yourself, what can I learn today? Even in your later years, the possibilities for learning are endless. Keep reading, stay curious, and most importantly, never stop growing mentally. The third golden habit is social engagement. Human beings are social creatures. We are wired for connection. And this connection becomes even more important as we age. The danger of isolation is real, and it can be a serious risk to both your mental and physical health. As we grow older, it can be tempting to pull back, to retreat into the comfort of our homes. But isolation is a silent killer. It has been shown that socially engaged individuals live longer, have better mental health, and experience less stress. When we have relationships, friendships, and a sense of community, we experience more joy, fulfillment, and a deeper sense of meaning in life. It's family, old friends, neighbors, or even joining a club or social group. Keeping your social connections strong is one of the most powerful ways to improve your quality of life as you age. You don't have to attend every social gathering or host big events. But the key is making the effort to maintain regular social interactions, even if it's just a simple phone call, an online conversation, or a quiet lunch with a friend. Connecting with others gives you a sense of belonging, purpose, and joy. And these positive emotions will keep your heart and mind healthy. Don't let yourself become isolated. The people around you are your support network, and they will help you through both the good times and the challenging ones. The fourth golden habit is healthy eating. The importance of a balanced, nutrient-dense diet cannot be overstated when it comes to aging well. Food is fuel, and the right food can nourish your body, prevent disease, and help you maintain vitality. The older we get, the more careful we need to be with our diet. Our metabolism slows, and we need fewer calories, but our need for vitamins and minerals increases. That's why it's essential to focus on a nutritious, whole food diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These nutrients help support your bones, brain, heart, and immune system, all of which are vital as you age. For example, omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like salmon and walnuts, are incredibly important for brain health. Antioxidants, like those in berries and leafy greens, help fight inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is just as important as eating the right foods. Hydration supports digestion, energy, and skin health, all of which can be impacted as we age. Healthy eating isn't about dieting or restriction. It's about nourishing your body with the right fuel so you can feel your best every single day. Start small by making small, gradual changes and watch your energy, mood, and health improve. The fifth and final golden habit is adequate rest and sleep. As we age, we often experience changes in our sleep patterns, and many people struggle with sleep disorders. But sleep is essential to your health. It's during sleep that your body repairs itself, your muscles recover, and your brain processes memories. Poor sleep can lead to cognitive decline, increased stress, and a weakened immune system. That's why it's so important to prioritize sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality rest each night. Create a sleep-friendly environment, dark, cool, and quiet. If you struggle to fall asleep, avoid caffeine or screen time right before bed. Consider implementing a relaxing bedtime routine like reading or meditation. If necessary, speak with a healthcare provider about any sleep issues you may be facing. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the cornerstone of good health, and without it, nothing else works as well. Now, the key to living a vibrant, healthy life in your later years is consistency. These 5 golden habits are the foundation on which you can build a life full of vitality, energy, and joy. They don't require perfection, they just require consistency. Take small steps every day. Start with what you can do today, and before you know it, you will be amazed at how much better you feel. Aging doesn't have to be about decline. It can be about thriving. So take action today and start building the future you deserve. Your best years are not behind you. They're ahead of you.